From Fresno, California, we just finished installing this new sprayer, the side sprayer for this faucet. This is existing, so no work has been done on this. Hot and cold water, nothing with the spout. Just replacing this, and this is just a little plastic piece filled with some putty. And so I wouldn't recommend getting too much water over here. Of course, that's the sleeve where the hose goes through, and then down here it's just putty to the sink. But you could take some clear silicone around here and seal it off. I don't have any with me, but just not a real good, normally the newer stuff has a nice foam gasket or rubber gasket that fits down here. And this is just a hollow shell, and it's all plastic. It's tightened down, it's got putty in it, but it's a hole there. And so we'd like to see that sealed on the top as well. Underneath, I just wanted to document what we were looking at down here, hopefully without spinning the camera upside down. And so you can see, hopefully over there, there's the mounting nut for the cold water, actually the hot water over there. And then let me see if I can drop my phone on my face while I'm trying to record this here. Over on this side, you can see that is the cold. Half of the nut is missing, so that's a plastic nut that's split, and it's so it's not there anymore. Anyway, so outside of that, this installation is done.